Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file a tax return in Canada as a student using Wealthsimple. You can simplify your tax filing process significantly, saving both time and potential fees. Wealthsimple Tax is a reliable, secure platform certified by the Canada Revenue Agency, making it an excellent choice for students. It walks you through each step, ensuring you claim all eligible credits and deductions. This service is completely free, which is a major benefit for students managing their budgets. Before you start, gather all necessary documents to ensure an accurate and complete return. You will need your T4 slips from any jobs you held, showing your income and deductions. Crucially, obtain your T2202 form, which details your eligible tuition and education amounts. Also, collect any T4A slips for scholarships or bursaries, and keep receipts for medical expenses or public transit. Having these ready will streamline the entire filing process within Wealthsimple Tax. Students have access to several valuable deductions and credits that can significantly reduce their tax payable or increase their refund. Always claim your tuition, education, and textbook amounts from your T2202 form. These can be transferred to a parent or carried forward to future years. Do not forget to include eligible medical expenses, even if they seem small, as they can add up. Also, check for any provincial tax credits specific to students in your area, as these can provide additional savings. Before submitting, take a few minutes to thoroughly review your entire tax return summary. Double-check all entered amounts, especially your income, tuition credits, and personal information, for any errors. Once you are confident everything is correct, you can use the secure NetFile service to electronically submit your return to the Canada Revenue Agency. Remember to save a digital or physical copy of your filed return and all supporting documents for a minimum of 6 years. You will receive an immediate confirmation once your return has been successfully filed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.